I don't think people realize how simple it is to fix a USB port in a Toyota Tacoma. You don't need a mechanic, just a few minutes and some patience. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your truck is turned on, and try plugging in a different USB cable or device. Sometimes, it's just a bad cable. If that doesn't work, look for dirt or debris inside the USB port. You can use a can of compressed air or a soft brush to gently clean it out. Never use anything sharp. You could damage the port. Still not working? Check your car's fuse box. Look in your owner's manual and find the fuse for the USB port. If it's blown, you can buy a replacement at most auto stores. Just swap it out and see if that solves the problem. If you've tried all these steps and the USB port is still dead, it might be time to visit your local Toyota dealer. There could be a deeper issue that needs a pro's touch. That's it. Fixing your Tacoma's USB port is often quick and easy. Save time, save money, and get back to charging and playing your music in no time.